Hey guys, so today I have a project that I want to share with you. This is a gift that I made for two of my friends that I met through a Bible study on a Zoom, what it's called, Zoom communication. I don't even know what to call it. Anyway, so I got these anchors from Walmart and they were unfinished, so what I used was some of my old wood stain, the same color that's on my table top. And I had to actually leave it outside for about 3 days because the smell was really, really bad. And then after it dried, I went ahead and used this paint pen that I got from Hobby Lobby. The problem that was going on there was that it seems like the tip of the fibers from the pin would get stuck and then splatter everywhere. So I really had to be careful how I did that verse. The verse that I'm using is Hope Anchors the Soul from Hebrews 6:19. And I did that for both anchors. I'm actually using the one that I finished first as a guide for the second one that I'm working on right now. But after this, I'll go ahead and come back and see if I need to explain anything else. So after I finished with the whole verse on both anchors, I used that jute rope I got from Hobby Lobby, and what I was trying to do is ravel it around the anchor without it looking, it was just, I didn't want it to look tight where it looked, I don't know, just would look awkward. I guess that's the word I'm trying to say. But I used my hot glue gun to glue some parts to it so that way it wouldn't move. And I did that for both of the anchors. And there's holes on top of the anchor so you can hang the anchor up on the wall. And I could not for the life of me put the original twine back in. I think it just unraveled so much that I ended up just using the same twine that I used to wrap around the actual anchor, and I think that worked out better than if I would have used the other one, because the other one was a lot thicker. So yeah, that's what I did. Alright, so I'm back with the third part of finishing the anchor. I'm using these flowers. Do not ask me where I got them from, if I purchased them or not. A lot of these were from racks that were given to me way back in the day, back like I think 7-8 years ago. So I have no idea who gave them to me. I can't remember, so don't ask me. I think most of these are Prima, and there was another super popular place to buy your paper flowers. I can't remember what. I Am Roses? Maybe it was I Am Roses. And a couple of these maybe I would have gotten at, scrapbook.com. I think that's what it was. Man, there was those stores back in the old days. I don't even have them. Sorry, losing track of mine. So on one of these, which is the first one that I'm gluing on there, that was actually already pre-made, and I know for sure that was from a rack. I just don't remember who gave it to me, and I thought that was perfect. I wanted to do like a plain white color, a cream color, just because I don't know what these ladies have as a decor. So just wanted to make it really simple. So I glued that branch, and I didn't have another one of those particular flower branches, so I had to make and improvise to make another one, and I'll be showing you how I did that in the next clip. Okay, so this is the part where I try to duplicate the branch that I had for the first part of the anchor. I used some flowers that I had that were similar to those. I could not get it exactly like it, but I feel like it was pretty close. These roses were a little bit bigger and chunkier than the other ones, but I made it work, and used a lot of hot glue and that little paint sticks that wouldn't burn my fingers, and I used some rosebuds. I was going to use the stark white ones that are next to those little leaves on the screen there, but I felt like it was just too much of a drastic difference, so I used the little flowers that you see there that are a little bit more of an off-white, and I think it came out cute. I feel like the project came out really nice. So anyways, I feel like that's really all. I have to say. I don't want to be rambling all this video. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And I will see you on the next project that I have. Bye.